Welcome all of you in my today's video lecture. It's the most important questions from industrial pharmacy first. So in this video lecture, we will discuss all the questions that previously asked in all the exams. Discuss one by one from unit first to unit 5. So first of all, let's start with the unit first. Unit first of all, let's see the syllabus in the unit first. When we talk about syllabus in unit first, the pre-formulation studies are the important topic that definitely asked in the exam. So first of all, their physical properties, then their chemical properties. So these are the important points that can definitely ask in the exam. So, and one 10-mark question is compulsory in our exam from this topic. That is the discuss in detail about pre-formulation studies and explain various factors that influence the pre-formulation. So this question is very important and can definitely ask in every exam. Prepare very well this question so your 10 marks can be gained very easily. Then in chemical properties, one point is that is BCS classification of drug and its significance. And this is a very important question and also asked in previous exams. So prepare these two questions very well. First of all, their pre-formulation studies and their factors that influence the pre-formulation. Their second question, BCS classification drug and its significant. Mainly this BCS classification come for 5 marks or it also come for 2 marks. Only the explain the BCS classification drug. We will discuss in 5 mark and 2 mark question. Let's move forward to the 5 mark questions. So in 5 mark question, mainly the aims and objectives of pre-formulation are important. So question is from this topic, what are the various aims and of the pre-formulation and how to proceed for the pre-formulation? So prepare this question and this question is not much that important, but these pre-formulation studies are very important. So prepare this question very well. Next, move forward to the 2 mark question. So mainly 2 marks questions are very important from this topic, right? Which I already discussed. That is the BCS classification of drug. Then some definitions of formulation, then polymorphism, then racemization. So then application type questions are also asked, right? Then last one is how the particle size of drug may affect the development of solid dosage form. So these are the some questions that can ask for the 2 marks. Uh, First question is define pre-formulation and their examples. Second, define polymorphism and their examples. Then BCS classification. Then racemization. So, prepare these 2 mark questions from the unit first. Then let's move forward to the unit second. In that unit second, first of all, discuss 10 mark questions. So unit second is very important from the exam point of view, like unit second and unit third, that is the tablets and capsules. So mainly 10 mark questions are important from this topic and lots of 10 mark questions are asked from this topic. First of all, let's see one by one all the questions. First question is discuss in detail about quality control test for the tablet and their evaluation parameters. So these are the quality control test and evaluation parameters. Tablets are important. Question is also asked for 5 marks. So prepare this question for 10 marks. It can be easily write for 5 marks. Okay. Then write a neat labeled diagram, principle, working, and construction of rotary die process. Then third question is explain in detail about formulation of tablets. Then for discuss in detail about various defects occurring during the manufacturing of tablet and its remedies. Defects are also very important from exam point of view. तो टैबलेट के डिफेक्ट्स होंगे सभी, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है for 10 mark or as well as for 5 marks. These defects very well. Then explain the formulation of liquid orals with special reference to elixirs and suspensions. So these are the some 10 mark questions that can be asked for uh, asked in your exam. Next, let's move forward to the 5 mark question. In 5 mark, first one is explain detail the different methods of granulation. Next question, write a short note on design of disintegration टेस्ट apparatus. जो डिसइंटीग्रेशन टेस्ट apparatus है उसका डिजाइन और वर्किंग आपको पूछा जा सकता है एग्जाम में. सो प्रिपेयर दिस क्वेश्चन एज वेल. नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ शॉर्ट स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन शुगर केटिंग प्रोसेस. These are the some 5 mark questions, but previously these 10 mark questions are very important. First of all, the quality control test of tablets and their evaluation parameters, then their defects in the tablet and their remedies. Then the quality control test of tablet and their evaluation parameter, and of the other question like the formulation of tablet and this rotary dye process can be very important from some point of view. Here the quality control test, evaluation parameters, then defects and their remedies, useful for your competitive exams like GPAT. So prepare these defects very well, so it can be easily written in the exam. Then we have already discussed these 5 mark questions. So next move forward to the 2 mark questions. In 2 mark question, the first question, ideal characteristics of tablets. तो टैबलेट के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे वो इम्पोर्टेंट है फ्रॉम 2 mark question. Then enlist various defects occurring during manufacturing of tablets. तो जब भी आप 10 mark क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करेंगे उसी समय आपके जो 2 mark क्वेश्चन होंगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे. सो प्रिपेयर 10 mark क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल. It can be useful for 5 marks as well as 2 marks. Then third question is what is deflocculated system? Deflocculated and flocculated distinguish important है from some point of view. Then write the significance of film coating, enteric coating. Then fifth one is write a short note on disintegrants and binders. Disintegrants and binders. Next, move forward to the unit third. So in unit third, capsules part is very important. जब हमने यूनिट सेकंड स्टडी किया था उसमें जो टैबलेट की क्वालिटी कंट्रोल, रिवैल्यूएशन पैरामीटर्स एंड देयर डिफेक्ट्स. सिमिलरली टॉपिक्स quality control test of capsules, their formulation and their evaluation parameters. Similar topic hai, but these two topics are very important. In 10 mark question, various mechanism of powder filling in hard gelatin capsules and explain the equipments used in filling of hard gelatin capsules. Give the advantage of capsule dosage form. This question is somewhat lengthy, but when we see the first one is mechanism of powder filling in hard gelatin capsule, separately asked for 5 marks. So then the equipments which are used in filling of hard gelatin capsules, so this is also used for 5 marks separately. And then advantages of capsules as a dosage form. These 2 or 3 questions combined together to form 10 mark questions. Where this question automatically your 5 mark questions are prepared. Then move forward to the 5 mark question. In that first one is define capsule and their types, to its advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, discuss the various steps involved in pelletization process. Pelletization very important. It can be also asked for 2 marks. So Yes. Last question, 2 mark question is the define pelletization and give its application. So pelletization is important for 5 marks as well as for 2 mark. One question is compulsory from this topic, that is pelletization. So discuss the various steps involved in pelletization process. Next, what is microencapsulation? Give its evaluation parameters and applications. So, microencapsulation, it can also ask for 2 mark microencapsulation. So prepare these questions. Next, fourth question is discuss IPQC test for capsules. So what is the long form of IPQC? Write down in the comment section. Next, discuss in detail about quality control for tablets. Uh, Discuss in detail about the quality control test for tablets. So next, uh, 2 mark questions. In 2 mark question, one definition important, that is Bloom strength. Write a short note on Bloom strength. Full stop. Next, explain the methods of preparation of soft gelatin capsules. Then why gelatin is most preferred material for capsule shell. One application type question is there. Why gelatin is used as a material for the capsule shell. Next, I define pelletization and give its applications. So these are the 2 mark question from unit third. So this is the 10 mark question, that mechanism, powder filling, and capsule, and last one is the advantages. So 5 mark, first of all, definition, advantages, disadvantages, next pelletization, microencapsulation, IPQC test, and quality control test for tablets. Sorry, uh, quality control test for the capsules. Correct this question. Next, uh, 10 mark questions from the unit 4. So in that, first question is explain in detail about production of parenteral products. Elaborate the quality control test for parenteral. Similar question like tablet, capsule, and third one is parenteral. So these tablet, capsules, and parenterals are very important. Tablet, capsules, and parenterals. So parenteral and their quality control test are the topics that can be repeatedly asked in every exam. Like first one is tablet, second capsule, parenterals, aerosols, then ophthalmic preparation. Are the 4 to 5 topics uh, can be repeatedly asked in every exam. Here these 4 topics very well, and it is easy for you to pass in the exam and to score more and more marks. Next, second question, find and classify parenteral products and how parenteral products evaluated for quality control. These are the 10 mark question that can be asked from 4. So focus on first question, that is explain in detail about production of parenteral products and elaborate the quality control test for parenteral. Next, forward to the 5 mark question. In 5 mark question, first question is explain the quality control test for ophthalmic preparation and discuss the factors affecting drug absorption from ophthalmic route. Next question is define aseptic processing and explain the significance of isotonic parenteral formulations. So this aseptic processing also ask for 2 mark. Aseptic, right? In 2 mark question, define aseptic and its importance. Next, third question is explain the significance of isotonicity in ophthalmic preparation. So first of all, parenteral, then ophthalmic preparations. This third question is important from uh, some point of view for 5 mark. Explain the significance of isotonic ophthalmic preparation. And one 10 mark question, first one, that is the production of parenteral products and their quality control test. Second, the significance of isotonicity in ophthalmic preparations. Then for 2 marks, one is pyrogen contamination. That first question, what are the WFI and sterile WFI. So what is WFI? Comment down in comment section and how they are used. Next, second question is what are the different sources of pyrogen contamination? And third question is we have already discussed, that is define aseptic processing and its importance. Next, last unit, unit 5. So in that, one question is very important for 10 marks, that are aerosols. So one question is compulsory from this topic and it is for 10 marks. This first question, the define aerosol and its types and write about the formulation component of aerosols and its quality control test. So, this question is very important, can be definitely asked in your exam. Okay, question very for 10 mark. Then second question, discuss about material used in packaging of pharmaceutical products with special reference to glass. So, mainly focus upon this first question, define aerosols, their types, their formulation, their component. In that, first of all, you write the different components like propellants, okay, then their types. Discuss this question very well. It can be scoring question, okay, and very easy question, can be definitely asked for 10 mark. Next, when we talk about 5 mark question, so in that first one, the various quality control of aerosols. So uh, next, second question, explain the formulation and preparation of vanishing cream and cold cream. Like these 10 mark, vanishing cream, cold cream are also important for 5 marks. Mark question, aerosols and types, and second question, formulation of preparation of vanishing cream and cold cream. Prepare as well for lipsticks and toothpaste, but mainly focus on vanishing cream, cold cream. Then third question is discuss quality control test for glass as a packaging material and classify glass used in pharmaceutical packaging. So focus mainly two questions in this topic. The first one, 10 mark, that is define aerosol and its types and write about the formulation and components of aerosols and its quality control test. The second question is for 5 marks, is explain the formulation and preparation of vanishing cream and cold cream. So mainly focus on vanishing cream and cold cream. Also prepare the lipsticks and toothpaste. Okay, these two questions are very important. So prepare this question very well. Then we talk about 2 mark question. In that first question, what is the selection criteria for containers and closures used in parenteral preparation? So these questions we asked for 2 marks. Then classify propellants used in aerosols. These are the 2 mark question from this topic. So in this topic, one 10 mark question, one 5 mark question, and these 2 mark questions are important. So prepare these questions very well and mainly focus on the 5 topics, that is pre-formulation studies. From this topic, first question, right? First question, the pre-formulation studies. This can be definitely asked for 10 mark. The pre-formulation studies. So this is the one question for 10 mark. Then we already discussed mark question important. Then the tablet, capsule, and aerosols. Tablet, capsule, and aerosols. So mainly 3 questions are there in the exam. There are 4 questions, so it can be very easy to write the 10 mark question in the exam. So that out of 3 you can write any of the 2 questions very well. To prepare, first of all, pre-formulation studies. Second question is tablet. Second, third, capsules, and fourth one is aerosols. So from these 4 questions, 2 questions are compulsory from this topic. Well, for 10 marks, so it is your strength. These questions are your strength. Okay, this question well. Then from 5 marks, one question is formulation and prepare vanishing cream, cold cream. Then from this topic uh, ophthalmic preparation. Then unit 4 are the different questions repeatedly asked in your exam and write in exam very well. Thank you all of you and best of luck for your exam. Thank you.